Welcome back to another video. Today we have the Ryobi 1 Plus 18 volt Jobplus base with multi-tool attachments. So basically I needed a multi-tool. You can get this tool with the free deal with the 2 batteries and a charger deal for $99. You get this for free. Anyways, if you guys want to help out the channel so we can buy more tools like this, make more videos like this, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the bell icon so you can get all the notifications. That way that helps out us buy more tools, make more tool videos like this. So please help out the channel by subscribing. All right, let's go ahead and get started. We got P340. That is the model number of this tool. Usually when you register a tool or when you want to find out what tool it is, it's on the box. It's P340 basically. So it'll tell you on the right hand corner or some corner of the box. So you got Jobplus. This is compatible with the Rigid, by the way. Rigid and Ryobi are made by the same company. So all the power heads here are compatible with the Rigid Jobmax interchangeable tool head system. It says battery, charger, and other tool heads sold separately. So the only tool head that comes is this part, which is the oscillating tool, multi-tool, and it does come with just a couple blades here and an Allen wrench there, so you can switch out the blades, I guess. You got a 3-year warranty on this. Let's see here. Let's see what the back says. Says Jobplus compact tool head fits into tight spaces. Multiple position tool head adds handling versatility, balanced design, ergonomic grip, reduce user fatigue. Variable speed trigger allows you to precise speed adjustment. New improved grip zone with micro texture for optimum grip and user comfort. Mag tray magnetic holder for convenient placement of screws and bits. LED work lights, it brightens the work area. It says it includes a P246 Jobplus base, P570 multi-tool head, woodworking or wood cutting blade, segmented saw blade, sanding pad, 5-piece sandpaper, Allen wrench, universal multi-tool accessory adapter, and operator's manual. So we'll go ahead and check this out. We got a speed of 20,000 OPM, so no load speed. That's a regular without a load. And tool weight is 2.15 pounds. Alright, nothing else in the box. You got some instructions here. Some more instructions. We'll set this aside over here. And then we got the tool itself. We got some cardboard here. Nothing else inside. And then we got some blades here. These are just demo blades, so you can try out the tool without, spending more money. But yeah, this is pretty much like a cutting blade here. They're cheap blades, not really the best in quality, but they'll help you get the tool going there. And this is, I guess this is the base for these, I guess. Fit it in there, and then you can just put it in here. And then you have another tool here. This is like a cutter, like a flat cutter. This is the most common blades that they have. Like if you want to cut some baseboard or something like that. It's hard to get it out. If you want to cut some baseboard or something, you can cut straight with this. Then again, this looks like it goes in there like that, and then just goes into the tool. Same thing with this. I guess maybe you can use this, put it in there, and then just, I guess, going forward, I guess. And then you can use these pieces of sandpaper here. We got 80 grit, I guess, 80 grit, and 80 grit, 60 grit by the way. So got different pieces of sanding paper, and then you got the pad here. Oops, you don't want to lose that. So you got the pad here, which you can just stick any of these in there, like so, like that, and then pretty much stick, and you can change out the blades. These are good for smaller, like corners, if you want to sand like a corner, or places where, you know, smaller, that a big, you know, orbital sander doesn't fit. So that's the area, so you can use this. All right, let's look at the tool itself. So this is the tool. This is the power head it came with. This is the P570. You got the base. You got the serial number there, and then you got the tool itself. It's P246 Series D. And then you got a serial number on the back. You got a trigger there, pretty much. And then you got a magnetic base there. You can put your bits there so you don't lose them. Okay, holds pretty good. Let's see here. Let's put a battery in this thing. See how it runs. I got a 3 amp hour battery here. So we'll go ahead and check it out. Got a full, should have full, yeah. Got a full battery here. We'll try it, check it out. It does have like a little lock here. Guess you can turn it either forward or back. Which is the same thing. If you're oscillating, it's the same thing. And then in the middle, it's off basically. And then you got a nice work light there. A work light. Let's see if we can get. Yeah, so it's an okay light. You know, it'll illuminate where you're working with, or what you're working. That's what it looks like when you stand it up, like so. If you guys look at it, the way it looks standing up. Because I guess you just press this tab, and then this tab, and then just remove it, I guess. And that's the way you remove it. This looks like this is the power head. This is all metal. It looks like aluminum here and metal there. Looks like it's serviceable. And then you got, this is the power head itself. You do have, it says compatible with rigid Jobmax. And then you got the different power heads you can use. Which is a nice feature here for this tool. You're basically buying a multi-tool, like a, you know, you can use this like a universal head, and then just buy the, and then you can use this way or that way. Pretty much you can move it anywhere. If you want to use it sideways, downwards, this way, you can use it. It's universal basically. So we're just gonna put it like it was before. Once you hear it lock in, you're pretty much good to go. All right, let's put a blade in here. See, guess that's the way it goes in there. And then you can just put this on the top here to hold it in place. Yes, this is the only downside on this type of tool, is that you have to do all this to change. Most of the higher end tools just have a lever, and then you can. It's a toolless system. You can use it. You can see how it oscillates. It moves side to side. And this is where you don't want to put your finger in there, because it'll definitely cut you. So. Alright, let's try this out outside, see how it, we're going to go ahead and cut some baseboard. This is an old piece of baseboard that I had. We're just going to see if it'll cut and how it does. So I guess it's pretty easy to cut. I'm cutting at an angle because that's what I have to work with here. But as you guys can see, cuts pretty good. Do precise cuts, like if you want to cut this part off, we'll cut this part off. Hold on. Like if you want to cut a like indentation of the like a maybe electrical box or something, oops, you can cut up pretty much the smaller detail cuts. Like I said, you can cut different cuts. I know these are not the best cuts ever, but anyways, that's it for this tool review. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell if you want to help out the channel, buy more tools like this, make more videos like this. So we need more subscribers. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one.